Do you want to create great videos but don't have the money for an expensive camera? Or maybe you're just starting out and don't even have a camera yet. Well, have no fear, because with the overhead tripod mount, you can use your phone to record amazing video footage that will make your friends and family jealous. This handy little mount is adjustable so that you can find the perfect angle for your shot. It's made of high quality metal, so it's durable and steady. The tripod mount is adjustable, so you can find the perfect angle for your shot. And it's made of high quality metal, so it's durable and steady. It comes with a 1/4-inch screwball head and a phone holder so that you can easily attach your phone and start filming. It's perfect for phone photography, vlogging, video shooting, and more. My favorite way to use this overhead tripod mount is to record the video footage of my baking tutorials. I love to bake and I'm pretty good at it, so I thought it would be fun to share my recipes with the world, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on an expensive camera, so I decided to use my phone instead. And the overhead tripod mount was the perfect way to do it. It's adjustable so I can find the perfect angle for each shot, and it's made of high quality metal, so like I said, it's durable and steady.